And despite a sunny and dry start early this morning, we're going to continue to track that chance of stronger storms reaching us later today. As of right now, some of us might just see some isolated activity. That's what we're seeing right now for Exact Track. Notice that we do still have that area low pressure behind the warm front with the cold front. That'll get closer to the area, but as of right now, we're still dealing with some of these isolated showers and thunderstorms, most of which are slowly starting to get closer to that Illinois-Wisconsin line, and you're seeing a bit of that activity further to the northwest as well. It's going to move into Carroll, Joe Davis, then Stevenson County as we continue to get into the late morning and early afternoon. The rest of us, though, dry. We're seeing some sunshine mixing in with the cloud cover. Very good example here in DeKalb at NIU. Some of us seeing that sun, others are seeing isolated showers and storms. That's something that will continue before we end up seeing that severe potential reaching us a little bit later today, mainly after 3 o'clock. Parts of the area still under a 2 out of 5. It has been shifted a little bit further to the northwest, but the rest of us a 1 out of 5. So everyone has some kind of potential, but those in the yellow shading have the best chance. So really just to the north of I-88 and west of I-39, damaging wind gusts, hail, and even tornadoes are possible, along with heavy rainfall. When it comes to the activity we'll see over the next few hours, that'll quickly fizzle out and move through as we get closer to about 2 o'clock. Might still see again those thunderstorms redeveloping later. This is when we might see some of them pack that punch. 6:30 shows us that isolated threat, and they slowly start to become a little bit more scattered, but notice we do have that potential of seeing heavy rain showers, and they may also train, meaning they'll stay in one spot a little bit longer, not really move along as much, leading to a flooding potential. This takes us to about 12:30 midnight, and then early into Tuesday, the showers and thunderstorms do fizzle out rather quickly. So we're still looking also at a flooding risk later today, a slight risk. That's the yellow shading you're seeing for most of our area. We might get over an inch possible in some spots, so heavy downpours may cause flooding in things like creeks, streams, and even low-lying areas throughout most of northern Illinois. So keep this in mind as we do still anticipate those showers and thunderstorms later. Again, there is a chance some of them may become severe, but for now, non-severe isolated activity expected. Plus, your temperatures are still going to climb in the low 80s. We drop to those mid to upper 60s overnight. Any showers and thunderstorms roll out. However, we have yet another potential into the latter half of Tuesday. Most of this now trending overnight early into Wednesday. Here's what just after 12:30 midnight early into Wednesday looks like. We'll start to see some showers and thunderstorms joining us very early in the morning. So this is just before 4 a.m. And then everything slides out and we may still have some activity linger with us. Otherwise, we'll dry things out on the back end of Wednesday as a cold front comes through. So we hang on to the 80s until then. Then we drop into the mid 70s for Thursday. It's going to be awfully comfortable, but a little breezy by the time we get into Thursday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we then hang on to near average temperatures, meaning those upper 70s through the weekend, lots of sunshine, just a downright gorgeous forecast.